What's something every nutritionist needs to know? The top 15 cancer-fighting foods backed by science. First up, broccoli. It's loaded with sulforaphane, a compound that targets cancer cells. Next, we've got berries. These tiny powerhouses are packed with antioxidants. Don't forget tomatoes. Lycopene in tomatoes is a warrior against cancer. Moving on to garlic. Allicin helps reduce cancer risk. And of course, green tea. The catechins in green tea are shown to lower cancer chances. Turmeric's curcumin is a game changer. Then there's spinach, rich in lutein and zeaxanthin. Also carrots. Beta-carotene's your friend. Walnuts? Omega-3s galore. Grapes and their resveratrol? Epic. Beans. Fiber-rich and fantastic. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C shields cells. Mushrooms? Polysaccharides boost immunity. Olive oil. Antioxidants galore. And lastly, flax seeds. Lignans for the win. So, there you have it. 15 foods that could help you fight cancer naturally. Stay healthy. Stay informed. In addition to knowing which foods to eat, it's crucial to understand why they help. The choices we make at the grocery store or the farmer's market can have a profound impact on our overall health and well-being. When we select fresh fruits and vegetables, we are not just filling our baskets with colorful produce. We are making a conscious decision to fuel our bodies with nutrients that can protect us from various diseases, including cancer. Welcome to Chapter 2, the role of antioxidants in cancer prevention. In this chapter, we will delve into the science behind antioxidants and how they play a crucial role in safeguarding our health. We will explore the different types of antioxidants, their sources, and the mechanisms through which they help prevent cancer. Antioxidants are compounds that inhibit oxidation, a chemical reaction that can produce free radicals, leading to cell damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause harm to our cells, proteins, and DNA. They are generated through normal metabolic processes in the body, as well as through external sources such as pollution, radiation, and cigarette smoke. This damage can contribute to the development of cancer. When free radicals accumulate, they can cause oxidative stress, which disrupts the normal functioning of cells and can lead to mutations. These mutations can then trigger the uncontrolled growth of cells, a hallmark of cancer. Understanding the role of free radicals and oxidative stress is essential in comprehending how antioxidants can help mitigate these risks. So, how do antioxidants work? Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, essentially acting as a shield for your cells. They donate an electron to the free radicals, stabilizing them and preventing them from causing further damage. This process helps to maintain the integrity of our cells and reduces the risk of cancerous transformations. Pause for effect. They neutralize free radicals, essentially acting as a shield for your cells. By doing so, antioxidants help to protect our DNA, proteins, and cell membranes from oxidative damage. This protective effect is crucial in maintaining cellular health and preventing the onset of cancer. Foods rich in antioxidants include berries, nuts, and dark chocolate. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can help fortify our bodies against the harmful effects of free radicals. Incorporating a variety of antioxidant-rich foods into our diet can provide a broad spectrum of protective benefits. Berries, like blueberries and strawberries, are packed with vitamins C and E, which are powerful antioxidants. These vitamins play a vital role in neutralizing free radicals and supporting the immune system. Blueberries, in particular, are rich in anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color and potent antioxidant properties. Nuts, especially walnuts and almonds, contain selenium and vitamin E, both known for their cancer-fighting properties. Selenium is a trace mineral that helps to protect cells from oxidative damage and supports the immune system. Vitamin E, on the other hand, is a fat-soluble antioxidant that helps to protect cell membranes from damage. And yes, dark chocolate. It's not just a treat, it's a health booster. Dark chocolate, particularly those with a high cocoa content, is rich in flavonoids, which are a group of plant-based antioxidants. These flavonoids help to protect your cells from damage and have been shown to improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and enhance brain function. Rich in flavonoids, dark chocolate helps to protect your cells from damage. The flavonoids in dark chocolate, such as catechins and epicatechins, have been studied for their potential to reduce the risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. By enjoying a moderate amount of dark chocolate, you can indulge your sweet tooth while also reaping significant health benefits. Pause for effect. By incorporating these antioxidant-rich foods into your diet, you're not just eating healthier, you're actively taking steps to reduce your cancer risk. Remember, every bite counts. Stay healthy, stay informed. Making small, consistent changes to your diet can have a profound impact on your long-term health. Whether it's adding a handful of berries to your morning cereal, snacking on a mix of nuts, or savoring a piece of dark chocolate after dinner, these simple choices can contribute to a stronger, healthier you. So, the next time you reach for a snack, think about the powerful antioxidants you're providing your body and the steps you're taking towards a cancer-free future. Stay committed to your health journey and continue to educate yourself about the benefits of a nutrient-rich diet. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 3. The importance of fiber in cancer prevention. Dietary fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. It is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest. Unlike other carbs that are broken down into sugar molecules, fiber passes through the body undigested. It helps regulate the body's use of sugars, helping to keep hunger and blood sugar in check, and can significantly reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Studies have shown that a diet high in fiber can lower the risk of colorectal cancer, one of the most common types of cancer. This is because fiber helps to keep the digestive system clean and healthy, removing waste from the body efficiently. But how exactly does fiber help in cancer prevention? Pause for effect. The answer lies in its ability to promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. When waste moves through the digestive tract more quickly, it reduces the time that harmful substances, including potential carcinogens, are in contact with the intestinal walls. Fiber aids in the efficient movement of food through the digestive tract, ensuring that waste is expelled regularly. This not only helps in preventing constipation, but also reduces the risk of developing diverticulitis, a condition where small pouches form in the colon wall, reducing the time that potential carcinogens stay in contact with the lining of the intestines. This is crucial because prolonged contact with carcinogens can lead to mutations in the cells lining the intestines, which can eventually develop into cancer. This process also helps in maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for overall health. A healthy gut microbiome plays a significant role in the immune system, helping to fight off infections and diseases, including cancer, which is essential for overall health. A balanced gut microbiome can also help in reducing inflammation in the body, which is another risk factor for cancer. Chronic inflammation can lead to changes in the cells that can cause cancer to develop. Foods high in fiber include whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These foods are not only rich in fiber, but also packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa are not only rich in fiber, but also packed with essential nutrients. These grains are a great source of B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and selenium, which are important for energy production, immune function, and overall health, but also packed with essential nutrients. Reading nutrition labels can help you choose whole grains that are high in fiber and low in added sugars and unhealthy fats. Fruits such as apples, pears, and berries are excellent sources of both soluble and insoluble fiber, each playing a different role in digestive health. Soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance, which can help lower blood cholesterol and glucose levels. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to the stool and helps food pass more quickly through the stomach and intestines, each playing a different role in digestive health. Eating a variety of fruits can ensure that you get both types of fiber, which can help in maintaining a healthy digestive system and reducing the risk of cancer. Vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and leafy greens are also fiber powerhouses, offering a range of vitamins and minerals that support your body's natural defenses. These vegetables are also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage that can lead to cancer, offering a range of vitamins and minerals that support your body's natural defenses. Including a variety of colorful vegetables in your diet can ensure that you get a wide range of nutrients that can help in cancer prevention. By incorporating these fiber-rich foods into your daily diet, you're not just aiding digestion, you're actively working towards lowering your cancer risk. Planning your meals to include a variety of fiber-rich foods can make it easier to meet your daily fiber needs. You're not just aiding digestion, you're actively working towards lowering your cancer risk. Sharing healthy meals with family and friends can also encourage others to make healthier food choices and increase their fiber intake. Remember, a balanced diet rich in fiber is a key component of a healthy lifestyle. Stay healthy, stay proactive. In addition to eating a fiber-rich diet, staying physically active, maintaining a healthy weight, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can further reduce your cancer risk. Making these lifestyle changes can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. Chapter 4. The benefits of omega-3. Fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that our bodies cannot produce on their own. This means that we must obtain them through our diet. These fats are crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. They play a vital role in brain function, as well as normal growth and development. Omega-3s are also known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. These powerful nutrients have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the risk of cancer. Inflammation is a natural response by the body to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, including cancer. Omega-3 fatty acids help to reduce this inflammation, thereby lowering the risk of developing cancer. Studies have shown that people who consume higher amounts of omega-3s have a lower risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast, prostate, and colon cancer. But where can you find these beneficial fats? Pause for effect. The good news is that omega-3 fatty acids are found in a variety of foods, making it easy to incorporate them into your diet. Whether you prefer animal-based or plant-based sources, there are plenty of options to choose from. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3s, offering a delicious way to boost your intake. These fish are not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients that are beneficial for your health. Eating fatty fish at least twice a week can provide you with a good amount of omega-3s. Additionally, these fish are also high in protein and other essential nutrients, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. For those who prefer plant-based options, flaxseeds and chia seeds are excellent sources of these essential fats. These seeds are incredibly versatile and can be easily added to a variety of dishes. You can sprinkle them on salads, mix them into smoothies, or even use them in baking. Flax seeds and chia seeds are also high in fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health. Including these seeds in your diet can help you meet your omega-3 needs while also providing other health benefits. Walnuts also provide a convenient and tasty way to incorporate omega-3s into your diet. These nuts are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. They can be eaten on their own as a snack, added to salads, or used in baking. Walnuts are also high in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage. Including a handful of walnuts in your daily diet can help you meet your omega-3 needs and provide other health benefits as well. Research suggests that omega-3s can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells, reduce inflammation, and even improve the effectiveness of certain cancer treatments. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to interfere with the growth and spread of cancer cells, making them a valuable addition to cancer prevention and treatment strategies. Additionally, omega-3s can enhance the effectiveness of certain cancer treatments, such as chemotherapy, by making cancer cells more susceptible to these treatments. This makes omega-3s a powerful tool in the fight against cancer. By adding these omega-3 rich foods to your meals, you are not only supporting your overall health, but also taking proactive steps towards cancer prevention. Including a variety of omega-3 rich foods in your diet can help you meet your nutritional needs and provide numerous health benefits. Whether you prefer fish, seeds, or nuts, there are plenty of options to choose from. By making these foods a regular part of your diet, you can support your overall health and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Remember, a diet that includes omega-3 fatty acids can be a powerful tool in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Stay informed, stay healthy. Omega-3s are essential for overall health and well-being, and incorporating them into your diet can provide numerous benefits. By staying informed about the sources and benefits of omega-3s, you can make healthier choices and support your long-term health. So, make sure to include omega-3 rich foods in your diet and enjoy the many benefits they have to offer. Stay healthy and take care of your body by making omega-3s a part of your daily routine.